Hello everyone, myself Basaraj Chogla. Today I will be explaining about the grade of service of TST network. In the last lecture, I have explained about the grade of service of STS network. Today we will see the grade of service of TST network. As shown in figure, it is a TST network. In this, A switch and C switch are time switches and B switches are space switches. Each time switch is equivalent to space division equivalent of n into n cross points, and there are m associated incoming highways and m outgoing PCM highways. Therefore, A switches are total m and C switches are total m, and of size n into each of size n into n cross points. Similarly, B switches are space switches and it is equivalent to space division switches of size m into m, and these are in number n. Now, how to find out the grade of service in mode 1? Let the occupancy of A link is A, occupancy of B link is B, occupancy of outgoing trunks be C. The probability of first link being busy is equal to A. Probability of first link being free is therefore 1 minus A. The probability of second link being busy is B. Then probability of second link being free is 1 minus B. Probability that both the links are free will be equal to multiplication of both, that is a 1 minus A and 1 minus B. Probability that both the links are busy, that is blocking probability, is equal to 1 minus of 1 minus A into 1 minus B. However, there are G2, that is n secondary switches, therefore the probability that all the G2 independent paths are simultaneously blocked is B1 is equal to 1 minus A 1 minus B raised to G2. If A equal to B and G2 is equal to n, then B1 is equal to 1 minus B square raised to n. Now, grade of service for mode 2, all channels on a route are provided by the same outgoing time switch, that is all the trunks on a route connected to C switch in equivalent space division equivalent. The probability of blocking for a connection to this C switch is B. The probability that all trunks outgoing from the C switches are busy is approximated B raised to n. The probability that connections can be made to a free outgoing trunk is equal to 1 minus B1 into 1 minus B raised to n, and probability of loss B2 is equal to 1 minus B1 into 1 minus B raised to n. Where B is very small and n is very large, then B raised to n is nearly equal to 0. Thus, above probability of loss B2 will become is equal to B1. B2 is equal to B1 in that case. Now, we will see one example of grade of service for the TST network. A TST network has 20 incoming and 20 outgoing PCM highways, each conveying 30 channels. The required grade of services is 0.01. Find traffic capacity of network if connection is required to a particular free channel on a selected outgoing highway, that is mode 1. Connection is required to particular outgoing highway, but any free channel on it may be used, that is mode 2. Solution for this problem: given the data m equal to 20 and n equal to 20, let occupancy of the mn links and trunks be is equal to B. Let the occupancy of A link is A. However, there are G2 n secondary switches. Therefore, the probability that all the G2 independent paths are simultaneously blocked is B1 equal to 1 minus A into 1 minus B raised to G2. If A equal to B, G2 equal to n, then B1 is equal to 1 minus B square and raised to n. Therefore, with this formula we can calculate probability loss or the grade of service B is equal to, and substituting the values of B 0.01 and n value as a 30 and B value we can find out. That is, after simplification we will get B equal to 0.623. Total traffic capacity of the network is calculated as total traffic is equal to B into PCM channels into number of links equal to 0.623 into 20 into 30 is equal to 374 air-long is a total traffic. For mode 2, all channels on a route are provided by the same outgoing time switch. Therefore, all the trunks on a route connected to C switch in equivalent space division equivalent. The probability of blocking for connection to this C switch is B1. The probability that all trunks outgoing from the C switch are busy is approximated B raised to n. Therefore, the probability that connections can be made to a free outgoing trunk is equal to 1 minus B1 into 1 minus B raised to n, and probability of loss B2 is equal to 1 minus B1 into 1 minus B raised to n. Where B is very small and n is very large, we will get B raised to n equal to 0, and therefore above equation will become B2 equal to B1. Now in this our problem or example, if B equal to 0.623, what we have calculated here, raised to 30 is equal to 6.8 into 10 raised to minus 7, which is very small and nearly taken as a 0. Therefore B2 is equal to B1. Thus approximately the same loss probability is obtained in either mode 1 and 2, and the traffic capacity of the network for B2 is equal to 0.01 is again 374 air-long. Thank you.